Take a ride in the 2015 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights. Come see the car for yourself.